Hello everyone, Nick from StruSoft here, back again with yet another tip of the week. This time we're going to be finding components and replacing them. And in this specific case here, I'm going to do it with some openings, or rather some windows. And the windows that you see on the picture here below the screen, we're going to change them up. So this is all about how do you do that in an easy way quickly for all of the windows. And as I usually say, without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So this is going to be a short tip because it's very easy and very straightforward. Basically what you do is you have your wall functions here and you go in and you say find components in my walls. Then it asks you which components do you want to find. Casting items, wire loops, welding plates, end caps, edge details, MEP keys like electrical connections and so on. And in my case here, I'm going to go for openings. Which one do you want to find? Well, I want to find the one called W here. And that one is in these elements. Basically, I'm going to tell it, I want to select the components. And then it goes through the whole model, marks it out, selects the components. You can see now the elements, some of the elements are purple. Those that are purple are the ones where the components are in. And I can go in and I will say edit opening. So with edit opening now, with all the components selected, I can go in and say, well, it needs to be something else. I'm going to change it because we need these curved windows instead. So basically I'll do that and I'll hit OK. We'll update the lifters in each element and you can see it makes this little change where it has some change and it just asks you, do you want to update the lifter center of gravity and so on all the elements? And now they're changed. Go in, save everything, make sure everything's up to date. That's fine. And everything's going to be gray again. We're done editing. We changed all the windows in this whole floor here, or in this whole model. Super, super simple and easy to use. As mentioned, you can do it for your electrical connections, your wire loops, other casting materials, dowel tubes, whatever you can imagine. You can just go in and change it like this here. So a great, great combination of find component, and in this case, edit openings. It could have been edit MEP keys, casting materials instead, and so on. So there's a lot of possibilities with this one. So this is one you guys got to really learn and become experts in because it's going to save you a whole lot of time. So that's it for today. And we'll see you in the next tip of the week next time. But until then, take care. Bye-bye.